Hello, bro. Where are you going?
I am going to eat samosa.
You eat every day.
Samosa is my true friend.
Then marry those samosa.
Hey bro, why are you late today?
Because my alarm also needed sleep.
Wow, your alarm is more lazy than you.
Yes, we are best friends.
Did you finish your homework?
I tried, but my pen stopped working.
Excuse master is back.
Bro, even my brain took a holiday.
Then what did you do all day?
Professional mobile scrolling.